Hello everyone, I am Venkata Raviteja Rajanala and I'm an executive MBA student with student ID GR013960. So today I'm making this final reflection video as a part of my course, um, Internship in Business Administration. So coming to the point, what did I learn about myself in this term? So this semester has helped me a lot to grow as a better leader and a better teammate, both professionally and personally. Let me explain that. So I have taken two courses. One is the leadership theory, leadership in change in organization, so which helped me to learn about the traditional and contemporary leadership theories and apply them to the analysis of the behavior of leaders, colleagues, and subordinates. So coming to the next course, which is organizational change in communication, organization communication for leaders. It helped me to explore the psychological contract between leader and follower and in many ways. So I studied group formation and group development as well as the intricacies in coaching, mentoring, conflict resolution, and as well as the organizational behavior and explore how these concepts affect the leadership effectiveness. So coming to my favorite leadership style, I have read a number of leadership styles in this course. So out of all those, I was very impressed about this transformational leadership. So transformational leadership is something in which the leaders encourage and motivate their employees to innovate and create a change that will help and grow the shape of the organization. So, transformational leaders inspire and motivate their workforce without micromanaging. So, they trust their employees to take the authority over decisions in their assigned jobs. It's more like a management style that's designed to give employees more room to be creative, look to the future, and find new solutions to the old problems. So let me tell you a few examples. As I would like to share a few examples of this transformational leadership, which I observe in my daily life. The first one I'm going to tell you is the example of my senior manager. So I have my senior manager. She is a well-educated and very talented lady. So both technically and from management perspective as well. So I was very amazed on of how he creates a friendly environment among the teammates. As we all know, a best manager, the good quality of a manager is they build a work culture of mutual trust. So she always comes to us. She always comes to our team. So whenever there is an escalation, whenever there is a complicated request that needs an immediate resolution, so she doesn't panic. She doesn't make us panic. So she comes to us. She discusses with us. She gives us an environment where we can express our views of solving that problem freely. So she patiently listens to every possible solution. She decides, and she is sometimes she even leaves us the choice of selecting the best solution to resolve that issue as soon as possible. So she does not, she ever never micromanages us. So what happens with all these qualities is, so when she trusts us a lot, when she doesn't micromanage, so she's giving more free environment to express us freely, express our views freely, what happens is we feel like we need to make her feel proud in any issue. Whenever a complicated issue arises, we work to our full potential. So thus enabling us, in turn, the result of this whole thing is it's very good to the company. Like whenever we resolve an issue as soon as possible, so there will be a very good feedback from the customer, which helps us to improve the company's reputation. So in my real life, she was the best example of a transformational leader. She never micromanages, she communicates honestly, she handles the pressure well, she never feels have that pressure. So she develops employees' careers, so like a lot. She's the best transformational leader, which I which I came across in my recent workplace scenarios. And second one is my personal example. Like I work in a team of 9 members. I was one of the tier 3 engineer. So my personal example is like recently I was promoted as a queue manager by my senior manager. So we usually receive like 15 to 20 requests per day. So from that day, until that day, I was like any other engineer, and from after that day, I became a queue manager, whose responsibility is to share the work, assign the resources correctly, and everything. So this made me feel a little bit different from among my colleagues. So then what I did is I just studied about this transformational leadership, and I posted a question to my team about an issue which we are facing from a long time. So I reached out to team and I asked my team, how are they going, does anyone have any solution for this issue, like how to manage these requests in a timely manner. So one of my teammate, he came up with a solution of Smartsheet. So from that day onwards, Smartsheet is not a new idea, but implementing that idea in our monitoring system is a very good idea. So from that day onwards, we never looked back regarding the backlogs or new requests or old requests or anything. So then what happened is, so as a transformational leader, I created an environment where my teammates can express their views freely. So as a result, what happened is, so we have a very good solution of managing the tickets. So this is another example. And third example, I would like to share about this Satya Nadella's case when he took over as the CEO of Microsoft. So at the time of his oath as a CEO of Microsoft, the share value is like $36. Right now, today, it's like $138. It's not about the money. It's the way he transformed that company he raised that company from a share value of 36 to 138. He invented he introduced the concept of cloud computing. As a result, what happened is investors, they thought that Microsoft is going a step forward, so in technology. So that belief in investors made their share value go from $36 to $138. So this is one best example of transformational leadership. And I have like few examples of the example of the Amazon CEO, Amazon boss Jeff Bezos, and Reed Hastings for Netflix. Like we have numerous examples for transformational leadership. So in my opinion, of all those, transformation leadership is the best, and everybody must follow this transformational leadership. So thank you for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.